This tutorial is to help show a primary student how to log into the Understanding Faith website and navigate your way through the site. It's a wonderful teaching and learning resource to help grow in our faith, and the link to access this is up above. Your teacher would have provided this for you. In order to access the website, you need to log in. As a primary student, you will be clicking on the button that says Primary. This will then take you to the login section where you need to enter the username and password provided by your teacher. Once you've entered in the details, click Log In and you will be taken to the main screen. Notice on the top right corner, it says CEO Parramatta and Our School right there, so you know that you're logged in correctly. As part of your religion task, your teacher may have set for you a specific stage, unit, part, and page to go to. In order to navigate through this, you need to follow the instructions they provided. For this example, the teacher has set a task that is in Stage 2, Unit 31, Part 4, and Page 8. You can see to the right of the search bar, it says Page 1 of 13. The teacher requested you go to page 8. You can click Next to go to the next page, or you can click the down arrow button, which will allow you to go specifically to the page that you require. Once you have read through the information and completed the tasks set by your teacher, you can go to the top right corner and click Log Out. We hope this tutorial has helped you with logging in and navigating through the Understanding Faith website.